In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto enhancements on your iPhone. So technically, there's no direct way to turn this feature off. However, there are some configuration settings that we can change that will help remove the auto enhance feature. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to the settings app on your iPhone, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on apps. Using the search box, type in photos and then click on photos. If you scroll down, you'll see this option for view full HDR. You want to make sure this option is turned off like so. Once you've done that, we're going to come back out of this window, come back over to the main settings page and then scroll up until you see camera and click on this. Scroll down and click on photographic styles. And from here, select Use Standard. Now you can try taking a photo on your camera and seeing if that's fixed your issue. If it's still not working, another thing we can do is head back over to the settings page, come back over to the camera settings, and this time select Formats. Underneath Photo Capture, turn on Pro RAW and Resolution Control. Then once again, head back over to your camera app. Make sure you have RAW Max turned on, and then you can try taking a photo and seeing if that's fixed your issue. Now, the last thing you can do to turn off auto enhancements is to actually use the live feature on your photos. Now, to do this, just scroll upwards on your camera app. Click on the live circular icon and you want to make sure this feature is turned on. Now, if we go and take a photo on our camera, you can then head over to the Photos app on your phone. Then from here, click on the slider in the bottom navigation, click on the live icon in the bottom left. And typically the first photo in here is going to be the one with all of the auto enhancements. So all you'll need to do is move to a different keyframe in the photo. So just find an image that you're happy with. And then what you can do is select Make Key Photo. And that's kind of a workaround to get rid of the auto enhance features. So once you're finished, just click on Done in the top navigation. And as you can see, that's replaced our original image with this new keyframe. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.